So I like to be prepared, and what I've got is this headlamp. I'm just taking it apart to show you what you can do with it. So it goes up to 260 lumens, so it's a good value headband, and it does you perfectly for running and for walking when it's in the middle of winter. I particularly use this one when we've got a power cut. I do live on top of a hill, it gets windy, it gets stormy, and we do have power cuts. So I put this on whenever I need to go and fix something or do something in the middle of the night. It's 3 AAA batteries that go into this, and to clip it on, it is literally, let me just show you here. I'll just put this lid down here, easy to do with one hand, and then clip it over like that. So super simple. What I'll do now is I'll just quickly show you on my head and how easy it is to use. But if I close over this part here, which is the connector to the elastic band, you'll see that you have got one button here. That's to turn it off and on. Don't worry, my neighbours can't see me. But to turn it on, as I said, it is here. It's just the button here. Press it once for the red light. Press it off to on. There we go. Press it twice, you get the bright. That's all the lights. And if I do it again, there we go. So you get 3 options, 3 modes. So one with all the lights, one with just a focused light, and one with the red light. To turn it off, you just tap it once. Super simple, and it just clips on by clipping on, let me just show you here, onto this part here, if you can see that there. So it takes literally 2 seconds. It's a great prepping thing to have, especially if you're in the middle of the night and you can't see a thing. Have this to hand, you can see exactly where you're going. I use this one for dog walking as well in the middle of winter. Luckily it's summer, so I don't have to worry about it. But exceptional value for money, considering the fact you look at some of the prices of some of the runner headbands that do the exact same thing.